Imagine a future where your office is anywhere you want it to be, your side hustle is your main gig, and artificial intelligence is your new coworker. This is not a distant reality, but the rapidly unfolding future of work. As we sail through the final quarter of 2023, the workplace continues to transform at an unprecedented pace. One significant force behind this transformation is Generation Z. By 2024, they are predicted to make up 23% of the global workforce. This generation, known for their tech savviness and openness to AI tools, is set to redefine the way we work. However, it is crucial for older generations to prepare and guide the Gen Z talent, particularly in developing their soft skills. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword anymore. It's making waves across industries, with generative AI leading the front. This technology is creating new possibilities and efficiencies, and professionals who familiarize themselves with these tools will find themselves at the forefront of their fields. The traditional office is also undergoing a revolution. The pandemic era introduced us to the possibilities of remote work, but the future is looking more like a hybrid model. With an 81% adoption rate predicted, this blend of in-office and remote work is poised to become the new norm. However, this shift necessitates open and effective communication between employees and employers to ensure everyone is on the same page. While full-time jobs are still the majority, side hustles are gaining popularity, especially among younger generations. These sideline gigs, including the increasingly popular influencer marketing, offer an opportunity to supplement income and explore passions outside of the 9-to-5 routine. As we move forward, it is essential to stay informed about these emerging trends. The future of work is not a distant concept. It is here, it is now, and it is constantly evolving. Understanding these trends and adapting to them is the key to navigating the changing landscape of the workplace. In conclusion, the future of work is being shaped by the influx of Gen Z talent, the rise of AI tools, the shift towards hybrid work models, and the growth of side hustles. As these trends continue to unfold, the workplace as we know it is set to transform, paving the way for an exciting and dynamic future.